Hi friends, this is Gayatri. Today we are going to discuss about VHDL program. Definition of VHDL: the Very High Speed Integrated Circuit (VHSIC) Hardware Description Language. VHDL is a language that describes the behavior of electronic circuit, most commonly digital circuit. VHDL is defined by IEEE standards. There are two common variants, that is VHDL 1987 and VHDL 1993. VHDL can be used for designing hardware and for creating test entities to verify the behavior of that hardware. VHDL is used as a design entry format by a variant of EDA tools, including synthesis tools such as Quartus Prime, integrated synthesis, simulation tools, and formal verification tools. Entity. Entity means specification of system external. Entity is a basic unit of VHDL. Entity declaration. Entity declaration specify the external interface of an entity. Its most important part is the port cost that enumerates those circuit nodes that are visible from outside. The entity defines the interface, the architecture defines the functions, the entity declaration names the entity and defines syntax. Entity my underscore entity is a name. Is a keyword. So start declaring port open bracket int underscore port 1. Int is a input signal. Std underscore logic is a data type that is already stored in library. Is the same as the input. Out underscore port 1. Out is output signal. Std underscore logic is a data type that is already stored in library. Every statement ends with semicolon. The declaration ends with name. Architecture. Architecture is a internal implementation an entity which have more than one architecture. Architecture declaration. The architecture part is divided into two sections: declaration and instantiation part. Declaration part is between the keyword architecture and the behind. Here all the signal component, constant and variable must be declared. Difference between entity and architecture. The entity declaration provides the external view of the component. It describes what can be seen from the outside, including the component port. The architecture body provides an internal view. It describes the behavior or the structure of the component. Example library IEEE. Use IEEE dot std underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all semicolon is a package. Entity name that is example is a name. Is a keyword. Port abc is a input. De is a output. So the declaration end with the name. Architecture arg of example is signal t. Std underscore logic behind end arg. Every statement end with semicolon. VHDL in off-adder. Off-adder VHDL. In this following, off-adder VHDL contains data flow modeling, behavior modeling, and structural modeling. Data modeling. VHDL code for data modeling. Library IEEE. Use IEEE dot std underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all is a package. Entity with the name of a entity and with name of adder is a keyword. So declaration start AB is a input, sum and carry is a output. So the declaration end with of adder that is name. Architecture data flow is a name of adder is behind. Sum lesser than or equal to that is assign A XOR B. Carry out lesser than or equal to A and B. Here why we are using XOR and means in we have already discussed in half adder. Using this XOR gate we can derive the sum. Using this AND we can derive the carry. So the architecture end with name, data flow, behavioral model, VHDL code for behavioral model. Again we use this package entity of adder. Of adder is a name. This is a keyword. The declaration start. AB is the input. Sum and carry is the output. Hence the entity declaration in architecture. Behavior is a name of adder is behind of adder. Process A B behind. If A equal to 1, then sum lesser than or equal to not B. Carry underscore out lesser than or equal to B. Else sum lesser than or equal to B. Carry underscore out lesser than or equal to 0. End if end process of adder, end of behavioral model with end name. The name is behavior model. VHDL code for structural model. Here we again use this package entity of adder is declaration start with AB is your input, sum and carry is your output. The declaration end with name. Architecture structure of adder is component XOR gate. The declaration start I1 and I2 and I1 and I2 are input. O1 is the output. N component and gate. The declaration start with I1, I2 is the input, O1 is the output. End component begin U1 XOR underscore gate port map U U2 and underscore gate port map. We can also use positional association U1 XOR underscore gate port map and B or sum U2 and underscore gate port map and B or carry output end structure. Thank you.